I am Aisa Ali and you are watching Saiba News HD. Now we adding some important news.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today on 10th May at the time of Alhamdulillah. Nare Allah.
Now adding news from the Kuwait as per our bureau chief Tariq Iqbal, the first anniversary of 𝐷𝐼 was commemorated at the embassy with solemnity and national pride, paying tribute to the courage and resilience demonstrated by people in Pak armed forces in response to the aggression Pakistan faced last year. Speaking on the occasion, the ambassador of Pakistan to Kuwait, H.E. Dr. Zafar Iqbal started the 𝐷𝐼 remains a defining chapter in Pakistan's contemporary history, symbolizing the nation's unity, determination, and unwavering commitment to safeguarding its sovereignty and territorial integrity. He emphasized that the professionalism and preparedness displayed by Pakistan's armed forces sent a clear message that Pakistan's defense is strong and fully capable of responding to any act of aggression. The ambassador further noted that the entire Pakistani nation stood united behind its armed forces during the challenging period, demonstrating exemplary solidarity and patriotism. Messages of the leadership were read out. Participants paid tribute to the martyrs and appreciated the sacrifices rendered Pakistan's armed forces in defense of the homeland, while reaffirming solidarity with the people of Pakistan in safeguarding and country's sovereignty, peace, and national dignity.
For updates, connect with Saiba News HD.